Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friends at Dolce Printing in Maywood, New Jersey. This is designed by Cindy Richardson for client Synovian Pharmaceuticals. And this piece is a door drop invitation. So a door drop is designed to be dropped off at all the different hotel rooms of the event attendees. In this case, it was for a medical convention. And this is meant to drive traffic to a booth. In this case, it was Synovian Pharmaceuticals, and it's for a medication for Parkinson's disease. So kind of a difficult subject, and they wanted to make it interactive and interesting to help drive traffic. So I think you're really going to like this design that Cindy did and some of the interaction that was provided in the design. So this piece, kind of simple format, it opens as a two-panel piece. However, this is actually an accordion fold with two of the panels glued together. And on the inside, it says, "Take a walk to experience." Then it says, "Frank and Maggie." There's little doors here. And these are little peel and reveal, little peekaboo panels. So there's 4 of these. And they also have angled cuts on them. They're kind of interesting in shape. There are also special print techniques going on here. These were printed 7-color, 4-color process, 1 spot PMS color, and then flood dull UV coating and a spot UV coating as well. So you can see that nice contrast. Paper was 120-pound dull coated premium sheet. So it just has this really nice kind of start to these stories. It's got a teaser, and you know, it invites you to go to the booth to learn more. And so this is just a 3-panel accordion fold with perfing and die cutting. And then the panel that's glued here, this is the 3rd panel of the accordion that's glued back in. These were done on folder gluer machines, by the way, so all done by machine. They did about 4,500 of these. So you just get this really nice interaction, eye-catching special effects, and a simple, creative format. I think it's got a lot of applicability to mail and different promotions, so I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Curious door drop design with peel and reveal peekaboo windows. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going, you viewers. Please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.